Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of logout on the application of TikTok. You will go to settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about the application of TikTok and you will enter. Then in this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again. If it's not working with you, then you can just update your app on Play Store. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your